What's going on, YouTubers? Here's a little tip. I know this may seem meaningless. However, this is a coffee filter. And, if you drink a good bit of coffee, or not, whatever. Yeah, these are not very expensive. However, if you throw yours away after every use, it's kind of wasteful. Believe it or not, these can last easily 10 or more uses. So, however you choose to discard your coffee grounds after you've made your pot of coffee. Some people say you should not rinse it down the sink. Some people say it's good for biodegradation, as far as getting rid of food particles and whatnot. However, that's irrelevant. After you get rid of your coffee grounds, here's what I do. I rinse mine off. Do it carefully, of course, because it is made of paper. Gently rinse her off. Then you turn your little coffee filter bucket, whatever this is called, turn it upside down. Gently lay this on top of it. Press it against the little bucket, and then set it off to the side. Wherever. Set it on your counter, set it in the sink, set it off to the side, and by tomorrow morning it will be dried and fairly well formed the way it should be. So then you can reuse it. You'll take it off, it'll be dry by then. Put it down in there. You may have to, stick it off to the side of the wall of the little bucket, and it works perfectly. Many of you are saying it's pointless. However, this can easily last 10 or more uses. So when you add that up through the entire year, you've saved yourself a little bit of money as well as not thrown this away. So there you go. Reuse your coffee filters. Just be careful while doing it because it will tear. And if it does start to tear a hole in it, then you can go grab you a new one. Anyway, that's what I've been doing the past couple of years. And it saves a little bit of money and saves a little bit of paper being thrown out. There you have it. Check out our page because we are going to start doing all kinds of nifty little household hacks, I guess you could call it. Hacks, uses of products, uses of standard products that you may not have thought of to make stuff work better, or to clean stuff, or to lubricate stuff, or just check out our store or our page. We're going to be doing all kinds of stuff in the near future. And we do all kinds of other things for lawnmowers, hot rods, motorcycles, lawn care equipment, outdoor power equipment. Always up to something. So check out our YouTube channel and you might see something you like. Y'all have a great day.